Hey friends, if you encounter DNS probe possible error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the status of the firewall. Okay, so search for Windows Defender Firewall and then go to turn firewall, Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and make sure that it is turned on both for public and private network. If not, turn it on and select OK. The next one is to check the status of your internet connection because that is very important. Now, open any browser and go to this website fast.com. Hit enter and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? Is it reasonable enough? If yes, then move to the next one. Okay. Disable any third party antivirus on your system, not Windows Defender, but a third party antivirus. So, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select install apps, wait for the list to load. If you find any third party antivirus here, okay, simply click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it. And the next one is to disable all browser add-ons. If you the issue is with the browser, so open Microsoft Edge. I trust it a little more. Click on these three dots here, select extensions, click on manage extensions. If you find any unnecessary extension here, then simply remove it. And finally disable VPN. Okay, so you'll have to do it as per the procedure for uh, disabling VPNs by third parties. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.